right, time to get gory this morning. It is Halloween. We have U of I's Jesse Miller joining us this morning, and you are going to be showing us how to do some of these things at home, actually.
That's right. So, yeah, because a lot of times things that I do, you know, I can buy the chemicals because I'm a chemist and, you know, I work at the university, but most people can't always duplicate them. This is stuff you can all do at home because you have most of the stuff at home. So a couple of recipes, actually, I picked up on the internet, so I should give them the props. But anyway.
Pinterest?
To the internet.
That's
we hear you, Jesse.
So to make a good fake blood, you need, you know, just colored water doesn't do it because it just doesn't have the same consistency.
Yeah.
It's too runny. So Kyra syrup, you know, the lighter kind. Okay, white is actually probably even better, but this is what I had at home. So we'll add a couple of teaspoons.
Oh, you take that cap off.
A couple of teaspoons. Glad you're here to
see. Even the chemist needs help every once in a while, right?
So add, you know, a couple of teaspoons. I think it's an exact science here of syrup. And then when you add your food coloring, you don't want to get too much of it. You want to get your color just about right. For this amount, I'm going to put about 4, 5, 6 drops of red, and then because it's not completely red, that bright red, we'll put maybe a drop of blue. Okay. And then we need to give it a little bit of texture.
And flavor.
And flavor, that's right.
Right, this is like you're making pancakes or something instead.
We're going to use cocoa powder, and actually the unsweetened kind seems to work better than the ready-made cocoa mix. It's kind of light, so we'll just mix this up here. Get it.
Nothing like mixing up a little blood.
It is breakfast time, isn't it?
I need a little water here. Just, oops, can you hand me that pitcher?
Certainly.
Just a tad bit of water there.
Oh, sure, not too much.
That's funny.
I know a tad measurement when I see one.
There we go. I'm gonna get that mixed
was
up
a little
in there.
too much.
Yeah, it might be. We can see the thing about this stuff is you can just keep adding one thing or the other.
Stuff as you need it.
Making more and more blood.
That's right. So then you get the consistency that you want and maybe the color that you want.
Ooh.
That looks like a little dark. So we can add some.
Brighten it up with some more red.
Brighten it up with some more red. Right. Okay. So anyway.
That color's
there we go. That color's good. We can see that in there. There we go.
Ooh, that's scary looking.
So, it's a little thicker. It'll pool. If you want it thicker, you can even add more syrup. So now you get some nice fake blood, and, you can eat it.
Probably tastes pretty good.
Actually, it does.
Don't mind if I do. Cynthia, some blood?
I'll have some blood this morning.
Now I know what vampires see in it.
Yeah, right.
So
that's actually very good.
So you can make some edible blood for your kids. If you want them to have I don't know how sick you are and you want your kids to be all covered in blood. But if that's your thing, you can whip some of this stuff up for them. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make a little slime, and this is pretty cool to have around. Just
all the time.
All the time. That's right.
Family
for all
over,
reasons.
relatives.
So slime. In this particular case, I used polyvinyl alcohol before. So we're just use Elmer's glue. Okay. Now Elmer's glue, it's an acetate, and it'll polymerize. Well, it's already actually in a polymer form, but we're going to add borate to it to make it a little more slimy and a little less gluey. Okay.
Couldn't find anything more exciting than borate.
Did I say borax or sodium borate? It does the same thing. Okay. Oh, bore.
Got it?
Wow, you got to be on your toes with this guy.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
All
right, so we add about half a cup of Elmer's glue.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I should probably put gloves on for this. Give me some gloves. Or give them to Cynthia.
Cynthia's probably. We don't want to hear her scream any more than we did in that first segment there.
I didn't realize I was so nervous all the time.
So this is a little thick. We're going to add about half a cup of water. Once again, the water, sir. Thank you. So equal amounts of.
Sure, I like this. You're doing all the work, and I get to have all the fun.
Okay.
It's another day at the office for me.
Got water, glue.
Yeah, go ahead and stir that up. We're gonna add some
with
food
my
coloring.
hands.
Well, yeah. You have anything else?
I mean.
Got this hairbrush here.
All right, so we'll mix that up nice and good. We'll add some green to it. All right.
Am I mixing it good enough yet?
Yeah, good. It's all right. Just mix it up. Okay, now we get this solution of just the glue. but we need to make it slimy. So we're going to add borax. Now, this borax, you can get it at the grocery store. It's not very expensive. It's used for helping wash clothes and things like that. Sodium tetraborate, actually. Add about a teaspoon of this to a cup of water. And then, add a teaspoon of this, geez, Jesse, to a cup of water.
I've had a little too much blood this morning so far,
did.
Jesse.
There we go. And mix that in. Okay.
And you're going to put it all in here?
I am going to put it all in there.
Okay.
All right. Well, I'm not going to put all of it. I'm going to put about a cup of it. There we go. And when we do
What
that,
will this do?
go ahead. You start mixing it up.
Okay.
This will start polymerizing it.
Oh!
There we go. Now let's
cool.
keep that up so people can see it. There you go. Right away.
Woo!
See how the borate combines with the acetate molecules in the glue to kind of stick them together. Okay, so that it makes this semi-solid slimy mess.
God bless you, Cynthia.
And you know, this is non-toxic. It's made with glue and borate. I mean, you wouldn't want to eat it, but
It's not like the blood.
right. It's not like the blood. You can eat the blood. The slime you don't want to eat, but you know, if you get it on you or whatever, I mean, it's not going to. It's not going to.
Do you want to play with it?
Terribly.
Kinda, yeah. It is slime after all, right?
You can have my glove.
And this is super
Okay.
easy. You saw how easy it was to do that, right?
Yeah.
So this is probably the most expensive part is just the borate, and it's not very expensive. I think it was $3 for this box. So
Hand me some of your slime, Cynthia. Oh, wow.
Cool, right?
Weird feeling.
I know.
Achoo.
Oh! Ew, gross.
that'll be on the next clip.
Fantastic. That's really
Yeah.
cool.
So the borax, as I said, it cross-links all these polymers together to make them a little less runny.
Don't slime
A little
me.
more. I've got slime.
This isn't Nickelodeon.
Yeah.
Now the one thing about this,
Cool.
because you're using food coloring, it will stain. I mean,
Thanks, Drew.
food coloring will
You don't have any.
food coloring will stain your clothes.
Sure.
Right. I mean,
Right.
you can get it out, but I mean, so you got to be careful about what you put it on.
So I shouldn't throw this at Drew.
Probably not in his nice suit.
Please don't.
That's an Armani, right?
This is Gucci, actually.
Armani was yesterday.
Gucci fits me a little bit better.
So anyway, some fun you can do at home for Halloween. You know, especially a lot of people like to make little displays. You know,
Sure.
next to the.
Like to throw slime at people.
That's right.
Did I get you?
Like in the zoo.
I don't think so. Okay, good.
I hope not. I wouldn't want to have to dump a whole bowl of slime on you.
All right, Jesse Miller, very cool. Thanks for showing us how to do the homemade blood, homemade slime. Got a lot of Halloween fun going on today.
A lot of Halloween fun. Bring these tricks to your party tonight, right?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, Jesse.
Taste some blood.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome.
More news and weather to come right here on The Morning Show. Stay with us.